Good morning, guys. It's our official 4th day here in Bali, Indonesia. And again, typically, maaga na naman po kami. Ano ba ito? Pag dating namin pag dumating kami dito galing tour gabi. Pag aalis na naman kami umaga, madaling araw. So today is pupunta kami maglunong sa Penida, day tour kami. This will be another challenging, this will be the highlight of our trip and most probably be our last full day here in Bali. Guys, nandito na kami sa Sanur Port. Ito na yung mga kick-off ng Nusa Penida day trip. It's still 6 AM guys. Ang ganda ng sunrise doon. Breakfast muna kami. Tingnan natin ang breakfast menu. Having breakfast here at Sanur, soup, kepala, ikan guring. While waiting for the time, is breakfast muna kami here. Kasi 7 AM pa daw yung tour mag-start. We just left early kasi marami daw tourist na naghihintay doon sa tour agencies na amin na magkikater sa amin today. So yung aming guide na naghintay doon while we are having our breakfast. Ito yung in-order namin na breakfast. This is 66,000 rupiah. So nasa mga ano to, more or less nasa mga 200 pesos. Yan nga, you can get coffee, you can get fruits, juice, and days. So good siya. Mura lang talaga yung food dito sa Indonesia. Guys, so meron na kaming guide. Ayun siya, oh. May dala-dalang flag. And then we are given this ID para sa ano. And then the tickets. Yung tour nga na nakuha namin dito guys kasi kasama pa rin ito sa tour agency na nakuha namin, which is the Sweet Bali Tours. So yung Nusa Penida day tour nila guys is 900,000 IDR. Para na sa mga 2,500 yun. Peso in peso. Tapos papasok na ata kami dito guys. Maraming guests na nakaabang. So boarding pass pala yun kanina guys. Bangalore. We will be riding with a speedboat today. Tapos i-scan na naman yung boarding pass kasi ang dami kong dala. Marab. Laban ka lang dyan, Burger King. Tapos akyat. After exiting guys, nandito na tayo sa dalang docking area. Yan. Wow! What a nice sunrise you got there. I hope it's a good weather today para ma-enjoy natin yung Kelengkeng Beach at the rest of the destinations in Nusa Penida. Yan guys, we are off to go. Papunta na tayo ng Nusa Penida. Full pack po yung speedboat guys. After 35 minutes guys, we have arrived in Nusa Penida. Are you seeing that? Ang daming magnunusa Penida. Diyos ko Lord, Bali, why are you so touristy? So since arrange na yung tour natin guys, upon arrival here is pinick up na agad tayo ng ating guide. Ayun siya oh. Ayan. Oh my God, that's my name. Hello.
Okay.
So let's follow him. So pagdating dito guys, meron na agad susundo sa inyo as part of the package. Para rin private tour pa rin siya kasi kami lang yung tatlong sasakay sa sasakyan. Nasa car na kami. We were transferred to a APV Suzuki. Kaso lang guys, hindi kami makalabas. Kasi cars around our cars. How can we get out? Guys, one way lang yung road. One way na ba? Two way siya pero ang liit ng daan. Diyos ko Lord. Yung daan, Diyos ko Lord, hindi mo parang matataktak yung mattress mo here. We have arrived in Angel's Balabong. Nasa first stop na tayo guys, but the first stop is consisting of 2 destinations already. Andito yung Angels Billabong at saka yung Broken Beach. Sige. Grabe yung daan papunta dito guys. Parang matataktak yung mattress natin. Wala pa masyadong tao kasi maaga pa guys. So dapat talaga dito sa Bali at this time, dapat maaga-aga talaga kayo pumunta. We have arrived at the Angels Billabong. Ayan. Yan yung Angels Billabong. Yan yung Angels Billabong guys. Tapos going there is the Broken Beach. So dito muna tayo sa Angels Billabong. Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, we are at the edge of the Angels Billabong. Yan. Sikat dito guys kasi yung doon banda na part may naligo tapos na tayo here. Oh my god, there's a lot of waving. Ma'am Ravi is taking a photo. Look at that guys. Oh my god, it's so very, oh just go Lord, if you will be on that area, my god, you will really surely die. Tapos ayun guys, may mga boat kasi gusto na meron na kasing dito, sighting ng manta, stingray. So if you want the activity na may mga diving, dito kayo nila pinupunta. Well, imagine guys the wave pag mag-ano kayo dito.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless mess.
Sabi ng guide namin, pinangalanan daw itong Angels Billabong because of a brand daw of a shirt. There's one tourist here who named it as Angels Billabong just by reading the brand of a shirt. There's no particular history as to how this place got the name. Wala lang. Just so next is we will be going to the Broken Beach. The Broken Beach is just a walking distance here at Angels Billabong. Doon banda guys, yung Broken Beach. Doon. Yung daan lang dito guys, ang tutulis ng ng mga bato. Kaya pag pumunta ka dito sa Nusa Penida, suotin mo talaga yung pinakamatibay nyo na shoes. Dito na banda guys yung Billabong, yung Broken Beach. Kakahinga kasi masyadong matirik yung patakyat. Ayan na guys yung Broken Beach. Yan. Parang Batanes dito guys. Pabalik na kami guys sa sasakyan kasi pupunta na naman kami sa second destination. I mean yung third na pala siya. Yung Kelengking Beach. Yung parang may T-Rex na na image sa ibabaw. Guys, tingnan nyo ang tirik ng daan. Diyos ko Lord. Look at the situation sa daan nila. Dito sa Nusa Penida. Look at that guys. So, ang dami mong kasalubong. Lahat yan papunta ng Billabong. Tsaka Broken Beach. Buti na lang naaga tayo. We're here na guys sa Kelengking Beach. Guys, nandito na kami sa Kelengking Beach. But according to our guide, it's not beach daw. It's a Kelengking Point or Kelengking Hill. Kasi yung beach guys is pababa pa daw siya ng ng hill. And it will take you 1 hour pababa, tapos almost 2 hours pa taas na naman. Diyos ko Lord. As per observation sa kanilang mga sasakyan guys, mostly sa kanilang mga car, sira na yung bump nila, yung front ng car. Then may mga side mirror na din na nasira. Kasi yung daan dito is one way lang siya. Tapos ginawang one way lang yung lane is good for one way. Tapos hinati pa siya sa gitna. So ganun ka-narrow yung yung daan dito, guys. Kaya talagang mapapatawag ka ng Santos pag nandito ka sa Nusa Penida. As you can see, guys, maraming tao talaga dito. Napaka-touristy ng Bali ngayon. For the record, guys, allowed yung drone dito. Kaso lang hindi ko na nadala yung drone. Kasi dala-dala ko kasi siya for the past few days. Hindi ko naman lang siya nagamit. So labanan na lang tayo ng Insta360. Yun na yung spot ng Kelengking Beach. Daming tao. So hirapan tayo na yun ng view. Guys, ayan na yung picture perfect ng Kelengking Beach. Guys, anito guys, ang daming tao. Ayan na yung guys, yung picture spot ng T-Rex ng Kelengking Beach. Guys, tingnan nyo yung effort ng mga guide to get you a better picture. Umaakyat sila sa mga tanim, sa mga puno. Guys, may hagdanan dyan sa baba. Papunta doon sa pinakababa na beach. Ayan. And guys, so yan yung sinasabi sa inyo ng 1 hour pababa. Tapos parang almost 2 hour pa as akyat. Kasi hingal-hingal tayo, guys. Guys, we are back at the car. Hindi na kami nagstay ng longer. Kasi daming tao. Tsaka sobrang init. After here is lunchtime na tayo, guys. Lunch is included in the package that we got. And probably our last destination also is this Diamond Beach or the Crystal Beach before we will be heading back to the main island of Bali. Ang daming papasok, guys, ng Kelengking. My God. Dito kami magla-lunch. Hindi pala sa Crystal Beach. Here. So this is part of the tour that you have paid. Nabayaran namin na 900,000 IDR. Ito lang yung nasa meal natin a la carte. So part of the package, you'll have to choose one of these and pili ka din ng isang drink per person. After lunch, guys, is we'll proceed to the last destination na, the Crystal Beach. It's 30 minutes ride from the point where we had our lunch. That would be our last destination before we will head back to the mainland of Bali. Guys, after 30 minutes, we have reached already the last destination for the Nusa Penida tour. This is the Crystal Beach. Ayun. But it's high tide, currently high tide. So, hindi pa rin tayo makakaligo. Ayun pala dapat. Ayun, parang may mga beds doon. Yan, guys, aliw ni Aliw si Ma'am Lenny. Guys, maitim yung sand. Over there, guys, meron silang mga mga higaan na pwede ka mag-chill actually doon. So dito lang muna kami magpa-picture sa dagat. And after this, parang babalik na kami, hindi na parang talaga, babalik na kami ng mainland Bali. Emote lang ang peg dito, guys, emote. Dagat. Dagat nila, guys, is kulay itim. Oh my God. Very opposite to the Maldives. Lakas pa ng alon. We're back at the harbor na. So we will be going back to the mainland Bali. So yun na yun ang guys, yung Nusa Penida day trip. So in totality, hindi siya abot ng 6 hours. Tapos 4 destinations lang yung mabivisit ninyo. Yung pinaka-highlight sa tour dito is yung Kelengking Beach. Kaso lang ang daming tao. So if you are planning to go here, you need to be very early. Guys, ang dagat diri. No? Ganda yung dagat dito sa harbor, guys. Tingnan nyo, ha. Oh. Ganda dagat dito. See that. Yung ating speedboat pabalik ng mainland Bali, kasama na rin siya, guys, sa lahat ng sa ating package na nakuha. So wala ka nang problemahin dito. Wala ka nang magagastos. Kasi kasama na siya lahat sa 900,000 na tour package na nakuha namin sa Sweet Bali Tours. Dito na yung bilihan ng tickets, guys. Back at Bali, guys. That was a very bumpy ride. Of mga 45 minutes kami bago nakarating dito. Masyadong malaki yung mga alon, guys. Carry na. So that's it. That's the end of our Nusa Penida trip here in Bali. And medyo maaga kami nakarating ngayon, makauwi ngayon. So baka later in the evening we will be exploring around Kuta o saan tayo naka-check-in para mamili na din tayo ng mga additional pasalubong. But guys, dito maraming mga nadali mga oil, Ma'am Lenny, oh. Guys, ang mumura. Do not forget that Salamat Detang na souvenir shops. Ang mumura, guys. Malapit lang siya sa airport. So, if you plan to buy a lot of pasalubong, especially delicacies, marami dyan sa store na yan, guys. So, do not skip that. Guys, we have arrived at Nguraray International Airport.
Uy, yaon sa man. Pabalik ta? Pabalik ta?
Ayan, kasalanan nyo to, Cebu Pacific. Kasalanan nyo to. Dahil dyan sa One Piece policy back ninyo. Ayan ngayon. Our Bali trip, guys, has come to an end. So, hindi masyado nakapag-vlog last night kasi na-enjoy na kami sa shopping at galore. At saka natulog na din kami kasi nag-impake kami. Our flight today will be at 8:30 a.m. At via Cebu Pacific. So, we are early here at around 6 a.m. Dito na kami sa airport. Ayan. So, thank you guys for watching all of my vlogs in Bali. So, I hope that you have learned something from this trip. I would say, guys, that the Bali, Indonesia, medyo talaga siya super duper touristy na destination here in Asia. Daming tao and all of spots here in Bali, Indonesia. Talaga, ang daming mga tao, guys. So, ayan. Ay. So, but nevertheless, nag-enjoy naman kami, especially doon sa Nusa Penida na Kelengking Beach, no? Ang ganda doon. And then the rest of the spots here in Bali, Indonesia. Mura lang kasi, guys, yung food dito. Mura lang yung food dito, unlike sa previous country that we traveled na masyadong mahal. But guys, do not forget to go to that shopping, yung souvenir shop na Krishna ang name. Doon. Marami doon mga cheap, guys. Mas cheaper pa compared sa mga shops na makikita nyo doon sa downtown Bali. Remember yung isang keychain nila, guys, na nakapack into 5 pieces. Kung doon mo bibili sa Kuta, nasa 150 IDR. So you need to haggle para makuha ka pa ng cheaper price. Nabili ko lang siya ng nahaggle ko siya ng 20,000 IDR. But it happened when I got to the Krishna, guys, 10,000 lang pala siya. No, so doon kaya kayo magbili, doon na kayo bumili, guys, ng mga pasalubong. Wala nang worries. That's it. That's all for our vlog, guys, for this Bali, Indonesia vlog. So, I guess I'll just have to wait again another year, school year, para makapag-travel na naman po tayo abroad, no? Kasi since every summer vacation lang tayo nakakapag-travel abroad. That's the end of this vlog, guys. See you again in our next travel vlog. Do not forget to like and subscribe into my channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated of my latest upload. Bye! Have a nice day!